Okay, there you go. Music King, fast to begin inherent. And now the outside, Jen's Joy by the Ralph's Flamenco Miss. In the middle, Gold Cugat. And in the hay is the early trailer by about 5 or 6 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Music King. By sound 3 lengths, followed now by Gold Cugat. Jen's Joy on the further outside is in the hay, Inherent and Flamenco Miss. Rounding the far turn, Music King by some 2 lengths, followed by In the hay by the Rally's Gold Cugat, Jen's Joy. Another far turn, Music King by only a length and a half. In the hay, pressing up from the outside as they swing for home. Music King is still hanging to that half-length lead. In the hay, saw the outside, Gold Cugat's running in third, Jen's Joy, Inherent and Flamenco Miss. And nearing the finish line, Music King still the leader, followed by In the hay and Gold Cugat. And finally, the icebreaker, Music King, In the hay, Gold Cugat, Jen's Joy, Flamenco Miss, and Inherent comes last.
Sayang, no?
Oo.